Welcome back. We have seen about git merge and git rebase earlier in our other sessions. Let's look into merge versus rebase with a visual tool in this video session.
I'm Kumar and welcome to my channel on tech and tutorials.
Git merge actually lets us take independent branches and then we combine them into a single branch. Well, even rebase also does the same. Let's look into what's the difference between the merge and rebase in this session. So using git merge, the current branch will be updated to reflect the merge, but the target branch actually remains untouched. We usually do a git branch -d for deleting the obsolete branch. So after merge, we have a single new commit on the branch we merge into. The new commit actually will have all the changes from the source branch. And in case of git rebase, it takes our entire branch and moves it on the top or on the tip of the current branch or the main branch on which we are trying to rebase. It creates brand new commits for each of the commits in the original feature branch. We'll see in a graphical view and then we'll see with examples as well. So git merge logs will show the complete history of the merging of commits. But in case of git rebase, the logs are actually linear in this case because the commits are actually rebased on top of another branch. All the commits on the feature branch will be combined as a single commit in the master branch. And in this case, the master branch is where we are trying to rebase our feature branch. All the commits will be rebased and the same number of commits will be added to the master branch. Okay, so let us look into example in our this visualizing tool. So let me actually put a git branch here, git branch br1, and okay, so now we have a master and we have our branch. Let's actually put some more commits here too, and this is going to be our master. On top of the master we are putting these commits, and now we can actually put something on top of this branch. We check out br1 and our head points to branch 1, and now we can do branch commit 1, branch commit 2, and let's put some more 3, 4. Okay, so now this is our current state. So we have a good number of commits on top of our branch br1, and we also had some commits on the master branch. Now we want to merge this br1 into our master branch. Let's look into that, how it looks like after the merge. So let me actually git check out master. Let's go to our master branch. Then we will do a merge, right? So git merge and br1. Now let's see how it looks like after doing the merge. Okay, so now you see here what actually happens. You see all the histories of all the commits which we did on the branch 1, br1, and the branch 1 is still there. So we have to delete this branch. As I was saying earlier, we have to delete this branch after we are done with the merge. And you see the master's commit also shows up here. So if we do a git log, here you cannot see it properly, but once we see an example in our system, we'll see that it will show properly. Okay, so you'll see all these commit IDs and nothing is lost. You get all the commit IDs from this branch as well as from your master branch as well. And then your pointer points to the tip of the current master branch. Your head is pointing into the master branch. Okay, and this is a new commit here, merge commit. Okay, so this is about the merge. Now let's look an example for the rebase option. Clear this screen, and now let us do a git commit -m com1, and now let us do the branch. Okay, git branch br1 will do the same thing, and let us do some more commits into our master branch 3, and git check out br1 and do a commit on the branch 2, 3. Okay, now we have almost similar state as we did for our merge option. Okay, now we need to rebase this option. Now we'll look into what looks like after we do a rebase. So for doing that, let us actually check out to the master branch, and then we'll do a git rebase br1. Okay, so if I hit enter, now you see here what actually happened here. Okay, so we did a rebase on top of br1. Okay, I did git rebase br1. So that's why you are seeing that my br1 became the rebase and my commits that were part of the master branch, this were there, right? Part of the master branch it went on top of the BR1. We did a rebase. Our base is the branch 1. That's what we did. Now, if you see the commit IDs here, it got changed. This com2 here, the message is the same, but if you see the commit ID, it's actually different. See, these are all different commits IDs, and then our tip actually points, our head actually points to the master branch, and the branch BR1 actually stays as the base, and on top of the BR1, we have 2 more commits coming from the master of branch. There were 2 commits here, right? So that got moved on top of the BR1. Now, if I come to the merge option here, you don't lose any of the old commits. All the old commits stays the same here in your history. But in case of the rebase, you see here, it got changed. The master branches commit IDs got changed into new ones. That's the difference which you see in case of the rebase option versus the merge option. And the other thing is you get a linear history of commits. Okay, this is a single straight line. You will not see all these commit IDs. You will lose all these commit IDs. But in case of merge option, you see all the commit IDs and you see all the histories of all the whatever you have done this repository. So that's the major difference, the merge and the rebase option.
Thank you for watching. I hope it has helped you in some way. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe in order to support me. Thanks for that. See you in the next